Welcome to the definitive masterclass on crafting the perfect award announcement press release. Whether it's to trumpet a groundbreaking achievement or to honor extraordinary contributions, today we're embarking on a journey to create a press release that doesn't just announce but exuberantly celebrates success. Let's dive into the architecture of an award announcement press release. The structure is pivotal: a magnetic headline, a captivating introduction, richly detailed body paragraphs, powerful quotes, and a conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. Each component is instrumental in weaving the narrative of triumph. First on our agenda, the headline. This is where first impressions are cemented, the pivotal moment that can either make or break your press release. Craft a headline that's sharp, succinct, and spellbinding. Employ vigorous verbs and spotlight both the award and its recipient to captivate your audience. In the art of headline creation, focus on these elements: dynamic action verbs, the award's allure, the recipient's name, and the profound impact of their achievement. Imagine this headline: Jane Doe captures the 2024 Innovator Award for her revolutionary climate change solutions. Now to the heart of the story in the body paragraphs. Begin with the award's importance, explore the recipient's invaluable contributions, and illuminate the significance of their work. Dive deep into details, but keep your narrative riveting to maintain audience engagement. Embed these elements deeply: the award's history, the winning criteria, the laureate's accomplishments, and the wider impact of their endeavors. For example, narrate how the recipient's innovation has not only transformed their domain, but also made a tangible difference in the world. And finally, the conclusion. This is where you encapsulate the essence of the award and the laureate's achievements. Conclude with an uplifting note, leaving your audience moved and enlightened. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to penning an award announcement press release that not only heralds success, but also kindles the flame of greatness. Remember, every award narrates a saga of dedication, innovation, and triumph. It's your prerogative to narrate this saga with fervor. Embark on your journey to craft press releases that transform achievements into sources of inspiration. Check out the link in the description below for the ultimate guide: how to write an award announcement press release, featuring over 50 examples and templates. Don't let your groundbreaking accomplishments go unnoticed. Trust Linking News, the best press release distribution service, to amplify your voice and showcase your success to the world. Click the link below to learn more and start distributing your press release today with Linking News, the trusted choice of industry leaders.